What is e-learning? E-learning stands for electronic learning. It allows users to take courses online using electronic devices such as a computer, tablet, and even a smartphone. With e-learning, users can take courses from all around the world 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here we are introducing e-learning for preschool students with a fun mathematical based application where the preschool infants can improve their basic arithmetic concepts and their passion for learning. This will teach some basic addition and subtraction concepts through fun and interactive videos and tested by some simple addition and subtraction questions. They will be rewarded with a certificate of dedication at the end of the test.